Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills Estate Agents. I'm on the popular Manor Road to show you this new listing we've got coming up. It is a spacious 3-bedroom, double-storey extended, semi-detached property. As you can see, it's got a driveway stretching from the front all the way along the side to the detached garage at the rear. Let's take a look inside. This property would be ideal for someone who's looking to take on a project and would relish the chance to modernise a property in one of the most popular roads in the area. From the hall on your right, we enter into this bay-fronted lounge, which as you can see is a good size. Then also accessed from the hallway is a downstairs toilet. Just through here, we have a spacious lounge diner again, with sliding doors leading to the garden at the rear. And then we head through this modern fitted kitchen, complete with ceiling spotlights as well. To the rear of the property, you'll find a generously sized garden, complete with late lawn grass and mature plants. As you can see, it's currently not overlooked. You can say the property is in a very popular location. Manor Road is just a short walk to Buell Hill Park. Also with an easy access of transport links through to Salford Quays, Uni City and Manchester City Centre as well. It's also close to local amenities. As we head upstairs, from the landing, you'll find 3 good sized bedrooms. We've got the second bedroom to the front, benefiting from that bay window. Again to the front, we have a large shower room and through to separate toilet. Third bedroom benefits from that double-storey extension and is a good size. You can also see a little bit better the garden at the rear. And finally, we have the main bedroom, which is a really good size as well. Properties in this location do not hang around for long. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.